Here's my story, it's sad but true. It's about a girl that I once knew. She took my love, then ran around with every single guy in town. Hey, hey, whoa, hey, 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 whoa, hey, hey, whoa, la 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 la, hey, hey, bum, hey, hey, bum, hey, bum, yeah, my should I known it from the very start. This girl will leave me with a broken heart. Oh, listen, people, what I'm telling you, I keep away from a runaround Sue. Yeah, my miss the lips and a smile on her face, the touch of her hand and this girl's one embrace. So if you don't want to cry like I do, I keep away from a runaround Sue. She liked to travel around, yeah. She loved you and she'll put you down. Now people let me put you wise. Sue goes out with other guys. Here's the moral and the story from the guy who knows. I fell in love and my love still grows. Ask any fool like she ever knew to say, I keep away from a runaround Sue. I made that up. Yeah, keep away from this girl. I know what you'll do. Keep away from Sue. She likes to travel around, yeah. She love you and she'll put you down. Now people let me put you wise. She goes out with other guys. Here's the moral and a story from that guy who knows. I fell in love and my love little daddy all night long, alright. Hey, hey, alright. See the gal with the diamond ring, she knows how to shake that thing, alright. Hey, hey, alright. Tell your mama, tell your pa, I'm gonna send you back to Arkansas. Hey honey, you don't do right. I say you don't do right. Alright. Yeah. See the gal with the red dress on, she do the boogie woogie all night long. Alright. Hey, hey. Alright. Well, tell me what I say. What I say. Tell me what I say right now. What I say. Honey, what I say. What I say. Baby, what I say right now. What I say. Tell me what I say. Honey, what I say. And I wanna know. I wanna know right now. I gotta know. Baby, I wanna know right now. Baby, I wanna know. Baby, I wanna know.
Hey girl, gather round, pick up what I'm putting down. Oh, baby, I'm your handyman. I'm not the kind that use a bitch or a rule. I'm handy with the love and I'm no fool. I fix broken hearts, I know I really can. If your broken hearts need repair, I'm the man to see. I whisper sweet things, you tell all your friends, they'll come running to me. Here is the main thing I want to say. I'm busy 24 hours a day. I fix broken hearts, I know I really can. If your broken hearts need repair, I'm the man to see. I whisper sweet things, you tell all your friends, they'll come running to me. Here is the main thing I want to say. I'm busy 24 hours a day. I fix broken hearts, I know I really can.
Gotta think about you. I just can't live without you. I really want you, Eleanor, near me. Your looks intoxicate me, even though your folks hate me. There's no one like you, Eleanor, really. Think you're groovy. Let's go out to a movie. What do you say now, Eleanor, can we? They'll turn the lights way down low, and maybe we won't watch the show. I think I love you, Eleanor, love me.
Eleanor G, I think you're swell, and you really do me well. You're my pride and joy, etc. Eleanor, can I take the time to ask you to speak your mind? Tell me that you love me better. Eleanor G, I think you're swell. Eleanor G, I think you're swell.
Boogum now, baby, your cast will spell on me. I say boogum now, baby, your cast will spell on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your high-hole boots with your hip hugger suit, it's alright. You're out of sight. And you wear that cute mini skirt with your brother's sloppy shirt. I admit it, girl, that I can dig it. You know, I said boogum now, baby, you're catching your spit on me. I say boogum now, baby, you're catching your spit on me. You got me doing funny things like a clown. Just look at me. When you wear your bell bottom pants, I just stand there in a trance. I can't move. You're in the groove. Would you believe, little girl, that I'm crazy about you? Not gone now with your baby. want you to see me cry. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside. Starts falling on my face. He won't see a single trace of the tears I'm crying. Because of you I'm crying. Don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. Sun comes out and the rain is gone away. I know I'm gonna see a better day. Right now I think I'm crying. Because of you I'm crying. Don't want you to see me cry. Let me go, let me go, let me go. In the rain, it may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside. In the rain, I wanna go outside. I wanna go outside. In the rain. I said it may sound crazy, but I wanna go outside in the rain. I wanna go outside in the rain. It may sound crazy, I said it may sound crazy, but I got to walk out the door, I can't stand it no more. I got to go outside. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Many a tear has to fall, but it's all in the game. All in the wonderful game that we know as love. You have words with him, and your future's looking dim. But these things your hearts can rise above. Once in a while he won't call, but it's all in the game. Soon he'll be there at your side with a sweet bouquet. and your hearts will fly away.
Soon he'll be there at your side
with a sweet bouquet. Then he'll kiss your lips and caress your waiting fingertips, and your hearts will fly away.
I love how your eyes close whenever you kiss me, and when I'm away from you, I love how you miss me. I love the way you always treat me tenderly, but darling, most of all, I love how you love me.
Teen angel, teen angel, teen angel. That fateful night, the car was stalled upon the railroad track. I pulled you out and we were safe, but you went running back. Teen angel, can you hear me? Teen angel, can you see me? Are you somewhere up above? And am I still your own true love? What was it you were looking for that took your life that night? They said they found my high school ring clutched in your fingers tight. Teen angel, can you hear me? Teen angel, can you see me? Are you somewhere up above? And am I still your own true love? Just sweet 16, and now you're gone. They've taken you away. I'll never kiss your lips again. They buried you today. Teen angel, can you hear me? Teen angel, can you see me? Are you somewhere up above? And am I still your own true love? Teen angel, teen angel, answer me, please.
He don't love you like I love you. If he did, he wouldn't break your heart. He don't love you like I love you. He's trying to tear us apart. Fare thee well, I know you're leaving for the new love that you found. The handsome guy that you've been dating. Whoa, I've got a feeling he's gonna put you down, because he don't love you like I love you. If he did, he wouldn't break your heart. He don't love you like I love you. He's trying to tear us apart. Now, he uses all the great quotations. He says the things I wish I could say. Whoa, but he's had so many rehearsals. Girl, to him it's just another play. But wait, and when the final act is over and you're left standing all alone, when he takes his bow and makes his exit, like I